In the last video, we sailed to Bora Bora. Did a 360-degree by sailing around of Mount Altamanu, the central island, and moored at the southeast corner surrounded by turquoise water. In this video, we woke up in amazing Bora Bora sunrise. Enjoyed every single minute of it. Bora Bora South is very shallow with no sailboat access, so we got on dinghy and explored this beautiful place. In the afternoon, the clouds started to hover over the peak of Mount Altamanu. Wind speed rose to the north of 20 knots from the east. Storm was coming. The next 2 days, we sailed in the rain, moored during a lightning storm, sailing in 30-knot wind inside Bora Bora Lagoon, and watched the sunset in blue. In 3 days, we reached every corner in Bora Bora. We were amazed by its beauty in drastically different weathers. In 3 videos, we'll show you our stories of sailing Bora Bora. We had a fantastic start of the first day in Bora Bora. We woke up just before the sunrise. Thick cloud moved in from the east, so sun played hide and seek with us. Motus and trees blocked the sea, so we couldn't see the horizon. However, the perfect golden color was reflected on the clouds hovering above Mount Altamanu. That exact moment was perfectly mesmerizing. A few short minutes later, golden color dissipated. Eventually, the sky lighted up and a ring of white cloud took a permanent residence over the peak of Mount Altamanu. Putting on her flower lei, Katie danced to this perfect Bora Bora sunrise. After a light breakfast, it's time for some actions. It's very shallow in Bora Bora South. We got on dinghy to explore the area. Our first stop was aquarium. After that, we moved to a popular area with stingray and reef sharks. Usually there are many snorkeling boats around from resorts nearby. Since it's very early, we had the whole spot for ourselves. We spotted a few empty bottles tied up to a dinghy mooring lines. There are about half a dozen dinghy moorings here. I picked one and tied up the boat. The current a little bit strong, but this place is amazing. Jumped into the water. Right at this moment, I knew I screwed up. The GoPro battery died. It was supposed to last 2 hours. We decided not to go back to get a new battery since the weather was noticeably getting worse. We had a narrow window before a storm came in later hours. Even though Bora Bora is amazing in all weather, in the sunshine, under the blue sky, Bora Bora is out of this world. Finally, around noon, we got back to the boat. I'm preparing the kayak for the afternoon. I would stare at this water the whole day. Wind picked up. It was expected to rain. Let's make the best of it before the cloud came in. After a light lunch, it's time to get on kayak and explore the rest of the Bora Bora South. Just after we got into the kayak, wind picked up more, wave picked up more. We walked to kayak all the way to the reef. However, the current was too strong for the kayak. We had to stay close to the shore.
Left, right, 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 left, brake.
Clouds come and go from the east, same to the rain. We ended up chasing the blue sky the whole afternoon. We rescued a life jacket. Clouds get thicker and lower. It's time to go back. The return trip was much easier. The wind current just pushed us back to the boat. Katie tried the best to fight the current, but failed. After a long day, we were exhausted, but it felt really good. In the next video, we sailed to Bora Bora Yacht Club on the right side. Sailing in the rain, in the fog, a lightning storm, a unique sunset, sailing in 30 knot wind. This Bora Bora was different from everything we knew. It was amazing with a sense of mystery. When water became darker, wind speed picked up, fog came in, it started to feel like the Pacific Northwest. Except it's still warm and 80 degrees outside. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.